welcome back to another video. I was on my way back home from getting my inspection sticker and a few other things done this morning, and seen this stream. I've seen it plenty of times before, and I decided to look at it on Google Maps as I went by it on the way back home on the 4-lane a little while ago. Don't have much time, but I found this spot. It's a little deep hole. I mean, it's a lot of shallow ledges and stuff down through there, shelves. But this is a deep spot, and I want to try to fish it and see what kind of fish are in here. The name didn't even show up on maps, and I've not seen any signs, and I have no clue what's in here. So I got the little rod with the little tiny yellow crick hopper, and I'm gonna give it a go, see what I can catch. Stay tuned. Oh, we got something right here on the bank. There are fish in here, not just trash and beer bottles. I shouldn't say that. This is a pretty stream, just got a little bit of trash on the side here. But we got our rock bass, aka red eye. I hope I'm even recording. Yep. Got this windshield thing on my GoPro, and I can't tell if I'm recording or not. Unless I look down or move the camera down. Usually I can see it without moving the camera. There's victim number one. Little guy. I don't even know what this stream's called, to be honest. Just found it. Hopefully we get something else, so stay tuned. Number 2, second cast. Another red eye. Smack the camera. Let me wipe you guys off. Had fish juice on it. Really, dude? Open your mouth. This one's tiny. Way smaller than the other one. Wind is horrible. I hope it's not too bad. Number 2 rock bass. 2 cast. Thank you, bud. Using the little yellow crick hopper. They're loving it. Stay tuned. Oh, we got something else. Daggone. 3 for 3 on the rock bass. This little hole is stacked with rock bass. Huh. Sweet. It wasn't easy to get down here, that's for sure. This little bank behind me is straight down. They're all about the same size though. They're a little fattening up. Getting fat for the winter. Thank you, bud. Awesome. Stay tuned. Ooh, this one's a little bit bigger. They're definitely hungry today. Could be the big storm coming in. It's supposed to be bad storms. It's 70 degrees right now, and it's supposed to drop down to about 30 this evening. And it's all on Halloween. So trick-or-treating is going to be extremely difficult today. We got 4 rock bass though, so I'm not complaining. Fun guys to catch. If can get in a pile of them like this, for sure. Thank you, bud. Wind's killing me. I just had the god-awfulest mess you ever seen with my line just a minute ago from the wind. Took me about 10 minutes to get it out. Just don't know if there's any smallmouth in here or not, but we're gonna keep on for a little while. Might get lucky and get one. Got him. About had 2 of them. About doubled up. If it had bigger hooks, it would have. This guy got the front one. It's got to be a pile of them down there, probably 50. They keep coming at it like crazy every cast. I done lost count, maybe 5. So this little deep hole is loaded with rock bass. Thank you, bud. Sweet. What do we have here? Could this be a smallie? Could this be a smallmouth? Yes, we found the small jaw. I didn't know there was even any in here. I was beginning to wonder. Sweet. He's a pretty gold one. Best bait for creek fishing, I think, pretty much. If you're going to fish the way I am, kind of like a crankbait. Nico Helgemite is right up there with it too. This is a pretty guy though. He's got the golden pattern. Sweet. Thank you, bud. We got something, little bitty old fella. I think this is gonna be the last fish of the day, guys. That's a baby. I couldn't really tell if there's something on there, even with this tiny setup. Come on, turd. I'm trying. I'll have to go to get the pliers on this little dude. But nice find. Like I said, it's the first time I've ever been here. I like it. We'll come back and try to find some more spots to fish on here. Beautiful place. I mean, it doesn't really even have that much trash, as most places actually do. That's surprising to be beside a main road. Which there's not many paths down here either, so I don't think too many people come down here. Where did you get this thing at? There it is. You see it now. Fell right out. Had to do a little bit of surgery. Are you alive? Mad? I'm getting you back in the water. Thank you, bud. Yeah, he swam off. I was worried about him a little bit, but he took off. Only had a few minutes to fish. I had to go to a garage and get an inspection sticker and a few other things this morning. But I'm glad I stopped by here. I seen it on maps. I seen the actual stream over at on the 4-lane on the way home. Pulled it up on maps and found this spot. Found this road, and just drove up it until I found a spot I could get down to. I'm glad I did. Paid off really well. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is a beautiful little stream, and I will be back to find some bigger smallmouth now that I know there's smallmouth in here. I was beginning to think there wasn't any, but if you haven't, please subscribe to the channel and hit that like button and drop me some comments. And as always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we'll start a new giveaway. This one's going to be a little different. I'm going to have 2 prizes, so you have 2 chances to win. So the first name that I'll draw will get to pick which item they want, and then the second name will get the one that's left. Give y'all a bit better chance. Here's one. The Blues Smash. What size is this? This is the 200. It's like a 2000 series, but Blues does it with 200. And then the other one is Carbon X PC Fun. This is a 2000 series. Now, whoever wins, don't just go by that being Lose that it's automatically better, because this is a very, very good reel. And both I would pretty much even, I would say. But it's gonna be a simple giveaway, and hopefully somebody that needs it will win them. But with 2 people, gives everybody a little bit better chance. And to enter, be the same as always. Just be subscribed, like the video, and drop the comment on hashtag giveaway, and that's all you need to do. So good luck to everyone. Stay tuned.